Hello, dear students. Welcome back to a news channel. Students, let's go to the articles of the day. Yes. So today we have only one article. Okay. The headline says, "Can vulture help prevent pandemics?" Now you might be thinking, well, birds preventing pandemic. This uh, pandemics are basically avoided by vaccines, doctors, right? But in today's episode, you will see why these birds are not just scavengers, but they are actually nature's health workers. They are silently protecting us every single day. Yes. So, students, when you think of preparing for a pandemic, what comes to your mind? You think of doctors, scientists, vaccines. But rarely do we picture a vulture. Now, here in our own country, vultures have been quietly doing an amazing job for centuries. What they are doing? They are keeping our environment clean and they are stopping the spread of deadly diseases. Vultures are basically nature's sanitation workers. तो उनका काम क्या है? दे क्विकली फाइंड एंड ईट एनिमल कार्कसेस. जो डेड एनिमल्स हैं, ओपन फील्ड में पड़े हुए हैं, फॉरेस्ट में, नियर विलेजेस में हैं, उसको वो क्लीन करते हैं. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे, यू माइट थिंक यू दैट साउंड्स अ लिटिल बिट ग्रॉस, राइट? बट सी, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. If those carcasses are left lying around, they can become breeding ground. Breeding ground for what? For dangerous bacteria, viruses. Okay? जो बाकी जो एनिमल्स हैं, जैसे स्ट्रे डॉग्स हो गए, रैट्स हो गए, they might feed on them and they can spread these diseases further, possibly even to humans. वहीं दूसरी ओर जो वल्चर्स क्या करते हैं? They digest these germs safely in their super strong stomach acid. So they basically destroys these pathogens completely. तो आप बोल सकते हो कि vultures basically क्या है? Vultures are frontline defenders. They prevent what scientists call zoonotic spillover. मतलब जब डिजीज क्या होती है? डिजीज spread from animals to humans. So vultures basically, it works as a frontline workers and it prevents zoonotic spillover. एनिमल्स से ह्यूमंस पे जो स्प्रेड होता है डिजीज का, उसको रोकता है वो. Now, isn't that cool? Without even knowing it, these birds have been acting like a natural health protectors for hundreds of years. Right? Now, let's discuss the shocking part. See, India once had uh, over 40 million vultures in the 1980s. And you could easily spot groups of them circling our farmlands or near carcass dumping ground. But today, more than 95% of them are gone. 95%. God, that's quite high. Okay, so what happened? ऐसा क्या हो गया? Students, back in the 1990s, veterinary drug called diclofenac was widely used to treat livestock like cows and buffaloes. तो cows और जो buffaloes होते हैं, उनके ट्रीटमेंट के लिए, जैसे वो बीमार पड़ जाते हैं, तो उनके ट्रीटमेंट के लिए एक दवाई यूज की जाती थी. ओके, 1990s में. अब हुआ क्या कि ये जो दवाई थी, अब ये जब एनिमल्स लाइव स्टॉक जैसे काउस बफेलोज हो गए, जब वो मर जाते थे, सो vultures fed on their carcasses and the drug which was basically used to treat livestock, it was toxic for the birds. Okay, so diclofenac. Okay, so this medicine, this drug was basically used to treat livestock, but when the animals died, when these animals died, so vultures they fed on their carcasses, but this drug was actually toxic for vultures. It caused kidney failures, and millions of vultures died because of it. So this sudden disappearance was more than just an ecological problem. It became a public health challenge. अब हुआ क्या देखो, vultures क्या थे, मैंने आपको पहले बताया ना, sanitation workers, and they clean the carcasses. अब fewer vultures are there, so carcasses remained in the open for longer period, and stray dogs and rats they started feeding on them, and their population exploded. Now these animals they often carry diseases like rabies, so it increases the risk of outbreaks. Okay, it increases the risk of outbreaks. And losing vulture, it didn't just hurt biodiversity. Okay, it made humans more vulnerable to future pandemics. Now, this is why some scientists call it a slow burning public health crisis. अब देखो स्टूडेंट्स, हम ऐसे क्यों कह रहे हैं? जो इंडिया के वल्चर्स थे, ऐसा नहीं था कि सिर्फ वो इंडिया में ही थे, मतलब कि इंडिया में ही रहते थे. नो, India's vulture population are part of Central Asian flyway. Okay, so imagine a sky high highway, sort of जैसे रोड का हाईवे होता है ना, वैसे स्काई हाईवे है. और जो ये जो हाईवे है, it stretches across 30 countries. So it basically connects Central Asia to South Asia, and millions of migratory birds they travel this route every year. So when vultures travel along this flyway, they connect ecosystems across borders. But the catch is, if carcasses along this route are left unmanaged, they can become disease hotspots. Okay, so a virus in one country, it could quickly spread to others through animals, birds, even humans. That's why, students, this isn't just a local issue, it's regional and global. क्योंकि अगर वल्चर को इंडिया में प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे तो उससे क्या होगा? इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स प्रोटेक्ट कंट्रीज फार अवे. ओके, क्योंकि जो डिजीज है, अब उसको ऐसा तो नहीं डिजीज को पासपोर्ट चाहिए होता ट्रैवल करने के लिए, राइट? नाउ, हाउ वल्चर्स आर रिलेटेड टू पैंडेमिक्स. सी, let's just break this down step by step. A cow dies in a village. If no vultures are around, the carcass stays open. Stray dogs, rats, and other scavengers they feed on it. Right? What will happen then? These animals they can carry diseases like rabies, and then rabies can be spread to humans. Okay, but with culture the story will be different. Within minutes a group of culture swoops down, they clean up the carcass completely, and they leave nothing behind. So moreover their strong stomach acid it kills all harmful pathogens. So this simple act breaks the chain of disease transmission. And dear students, the fascinating part is vultures work faster and cheaper than humans ever could. So, building hospitals, creating vaccines, and controlling an outbreak cost billions of rupees. But protecting vultures only requires small investment, जैसे safe nesting areas, banning harmful drugs. Right? Now, the good news is it's not too late to save our vultures. And experts have basically suggested a 5-step strategy for India to, uh, protect these birds. तो कौन कौन सी स्ट्रैटेजी बताई गई है यहाँ पे? इट्स मेंशन्ड. यस, satellite tracking. Satellite tracking. using modern technology to track vulture movements. Okay, decision support system. ये क्या है? Basically creating a system that combines data about wildlife, livestock, and human health, so that we could get early warnings, signs of outbreaks. And there's also क्रॉस सेक्टर कोलैबोरेशन, मतलब कि जो डिफरेंट गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं, जैसे एनवायरनमेंट हो गया, वेटरनरी हो गया, हेल्थ हो गया, दे हैव टू वर्क टुगेदर अंडर दी वन हेल्थ वन हेल्थ वन हेल्थ फ्रेमवर्क। वन हेल्थ फ्रेमवर्क का मतलब क्या है स्टूडेंट? सिंपल सी भाषा में, सिंपल सी लैंग्वेज में इसका मतलब यही है कि वन हेल्थ, इट मींस लुकिंग एट ह्यूमन, एनिमल एंड एनवायरमेंटल हेल्थ एज कनेक्टेड, नॉट सेपरेट। कि ह्यूमन हेल्थ, एनवायरमेंटल हेल्थ और एनिमल हेल्थ, दे ऑल आर इंटर रिलेटेड। ओके, एंड ऑफ कोर्स इंटरनेशनल कोऑपरेशन इज आल्सो रिक्वायर्ड, क्योंकि मैंने आपको बताया ना अभी सेंट्रल एशियन फ्लाईवे, जहां से वल्चर्स, माइग्रेटिव बर्ड्स ट्रैवल करते हैं, सो इंडिया नीड्स टू कोलैबोरेट विद इट्स नेबर्स थ्रू सेंट्रल एशियन फ्लाईवे एग्रीमेंट्स। And moreover, students, local communities should also play a role in monitoring and protecting nesting sites. एक असम में हरकिला आर्मी is there. Okay, so your homework is to find out about it. Okay, how the local community help in the protection of bird. It basically revive the population of that particular bird. So it's your homework. You need to find out and just tell me in the comments below. Now, students, so following these steps, India can create a model for other countries. Okay, now this article, what it tells us, that nature is interconnected. Because if we are going to protect vultures, animals like vultures, it will also protect human health. And something as simple as banning a harmful drug, it can save millions of birds. Right? So, next time you see a vulture circling in the sky, don't think of it as a scary bird or a symbol of death. Okay? Think of it as a silent health worker who are working tirelessly, keeping our environment clean and safe. Because saving vultures isn't about just saving a species, it's about saving ourselves. Right? So thank you for listening, everyone. Stay curious, stay safe, and remember, by protecting nature, what we are doing, we are basically protecting our future. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.